We can't have all the things we want. We compromise. But we must get all the things we need. No compromises. When it comes to investing our hard-earned money, we shouldn't compromise. After all, there are dreams, hopes, and future responsibilities at stake. So what's the best way to invest? In equity, if you have to beat inflation. But what in equity? Stocks? Then what about mutual funds? And what about index funds? Well, why not all three? Because each has its unique benefits. So, why compromise when you can have an all-in-one solution? That's why MoneyWorks4me PRO. With Pro, you get the advice for all three. Stocks, mutual funds and index funds in one place. You can also manage your lump sum and your monthly savings in one go. It's a complete solution for investing in equity. But is it complicated? Well, a car is a pretty sophisticated system. But would you say it's difficult to drive? Well, no. With Pro, it's the same. It's an advanced system made simple to use. Let me show you how. This is the Pro dashboard. Here, you see three tabs: stocks, mutual funds, which includes index funds, and SIP. Currently, the stock screen is open. It has three sections: buy, sell, and hold. In the buy section, you see the portfolio of stocks we recommend. You can see the reasons why we recommend these stocks with three color-coded buttons. The first is the 10-year X-ray, which tells you how we see the last 10 years' performance of the company. The second is the future prospect, which is an assessment made by an equity analyst. Together, these two buttons tell you why the stock is the right one to invest in. Green is very good, orange is somewhat good, and these are worth investing in. There are some stocks which are color-coded red. Those are not good, but you're very unlikely to see them here. The third is the upside potential, which is our estimate of the compounded returns the stock is likely to deliver over a 3-year period. Quality stocks with good upside potential will feature in the buy section. If you want more details, you can click on the stock to see the 10-year X-ray. You can also click on the analyst note to get an insight on the recommendation. With these, you will have the confidence to invest. Once you're convinced, click Buy Now. You can now enter the amount you wish to invest in stocks. Say you enter 2,50,000. Now, you have the number of shares you need to buy for every stock. You can do this by clicking Buy Now and selecting your broker from these available on Small Case Gateway. Else, you can buy these through your own broking account. Over time, the market being dynamic, prices will fluctuate. When the price of a stock increases above a certain level, the upside potential may drop and it may no longer be in the buy section, in which case it will be moved to the hold section. If it rises even further, then beyond a certain price, its upside potential may be unattractive and hence the stock will be moved to the sell section. Here, you select the stocks to sell and click Sell Now. If you wish, you can change the number of shares you wish to sell. Then proceed to sell just like what you did for buying. Now let's see mutual funds. This is really simple. You get the recommendations for at least two funds. These could be mutual funds or index funds. The reason for the recommendations are again visible in the three color-coded buttons. The first is the investing style button, which tells you how the fund manager chooses his stocks. Different styles ensure diversification. The second is the fund quality, which is based on the quality of the underlying stocks in the fund's portfolio. The third is the fund's upside potential. This is similar to stocks. If you want more details, you can click on the fund to see the 10-year X-ray. You can also click on the analyst note to get an insight on the recommendation. With these, you will have the confidence to invest. Once you're convinced, you then buy these funds. But remember to buy direct plans as far as possible. In the near future, you will be able to do this on our site. Now you have put your lump sum savings to work for you. Let's do the same for your monthly savings through your SIPs. You can invest this either in stocks, that is in the portfolio recommended by Pro if you prefer stocks, or you can SIP in the recommended mutual and or index funds. The buttons are the same as in mutual funds. Once you are convinced, you then set up the SIP of equal amounts in each fund from wherever you buy your direct plans. Just like in stocks, Our recommendation for hold, sell or stop SIP in funds will be available. You can also check our FAQs given below. If you have any queries, you can simply refer them for better understanding. When you update your portfolio in our Portfolio Manager, you will get a complete overview of your assets. That includes stocks as well as mutual funds. Now you see, with Pro, you have an intelligent system just like Google Maps. You can now confidently navigate through the maze of equity investing without getting lost and safely reaching your destination.